So guys, for the first step, once you're on Audacity, you want to click on Edit in the top left, and now you want to click on Preferences. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Libraries, and if it says for you the FFMPEG library was not found, then you want to click on Download, which will now open up this website. You want to click on Installing FFmpeg, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, you just want to scroll down, and you want to click on this link right here where it says download the FFmpeg installer. You want to click on this, which will now take us to the final website, which is this right here. We're going to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads right here, one for 64-bit and one for 32-bit. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. Now once you're on this, next to system type, it's going to be telling you, I'm on x64, so I'm going to get the x64 download. If your one says x86 or x32, you want to get the other download. Now for me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to download the x64 download right here, 64-bit. I'm going to click on this. Now once that's been downloaded, I'm now going to click on it. Now once this comes up, you want to click on yes, and we can now install it through here. You want to accept the agreement, and then click on next. Click on next again, and then click on install, and then click on finish. Now once you're back here, you want to click on locate. Once you click on locate, it should be saying Audacity has automatically detected valid FFmpeg libraries. However, if you could not locate it, then you want to locate it manually. So if you don't find it automatically, you want to find it manually. So to find it manually, you want to click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to click on browse. You want to find this folder right here, FFmpeg for Audacity. To find it, you want to go to this PC, and then your Windows drive with the Windows logo on it, and then click on Program Files, and it should appear right here, FFmpeg for Audacity. Double click on it, and you want to click on this file right here, avformat.dol. Double click on this, and then click on OK, and then that's how you do it. There's also a chance that the folder may instead be in Program Files x86, so you can check there as well for that folder.